I work in an IT company. I work in an IT company. He is a software developer. He is a software developer. I write code every day. I write code every day. He fixes computer problems. He fixes computer problems. I use a laptop for my job. I use a laptop for my job. He works from home sometimes. He works from home sometimes. I learn new programming languages. I learn new programming languages. He checks the system carefully. He checks the system carefully. I join online meetings with my team. I join online meetings with my team. He helps his colleagues with technical issues.
Oh, I see. Thanks.
Yeah, that's really helpful. He helps his colleagues with technical issues.
That makes sense now.
Great explanation. I design simple websites. I design simple websites. He tests the software before release. He tests the software before release. I read documents about coding. I read documents about coding. He updates the system regularly. He updates the system regularly. I solve problems step by step. I solve problems step by step. He works 8 hours a day. He works 8 hours a day. I drink coffee while coding. I drink coffee while coding. He writes clean and clear code. He writes clean and clear code. I study new technology trends. I study new technology trends. He improves his skills every month. He improves his skills every month. I use many tools for my work. I use many tools for my work. He checks emails in the morning. He checks emails in the morning. I enjoy working with computers. I enjoy working with computers. He builds useful applications. Ewa? He builds useful applications. I fix bugs in the program. I fix bugs in the program. I fix bugs in the program. He learns from his mistakes. He learns from his mistakes. I share ideas with my team. I share ideas with my team. I share ideas with my team. He explains problems clearly. He explains problems clearly. I follow project deadlines. I follow project deadlines. He works on different projects. He works on different projects. I like solving difficult problems. I like solving difficult problems. He works in a quiet office. He works in a quiet office. I use English in my job. I use English in my job. He reads code every day. He reads code every day. I practice coding after work. I practice coding after work. He joins training courses online. He joins training courses online. I create simple programs. I create simple programs. He manages small projects. He manages small projects. I check my code many times. I check my code many times. He works with clients sometimes. He works with clients sometimes. I learn something new every day. I learn something new every day. He supports the IT system. He supports the IT system. I use the internet for research. I use the internet for research. He builds mobile applications. He builds mobile applications. I write reports about my work. I write reports about my work. He works with different teams. He works with different teams. I try to improve my skills. I try to improve my skills. He solves issues quickly. He solves issues quickly. I enjoy my job in IT. I enjoy my job in IT. He feels happy with his work. He feels happy with his work. I work on a new software project. I work on a new software project. He writes code for a banking system. He writes code for a banking system. I check my tasks every morning. I check my tasks every morning. He solves problems with his team. Let's review the data.
The projections look good.
He solves problems with his team. I use coding tools every day. I use coding tools every day. He works late when the project is busy. He works late when the project is busy. I test my program before sharing it. I test my program before sharing it. He learns new skills from online courses. He learns new skills from online courses. I fix errors in my code quickly. I fix errors in my code quickly. He supports users with IT issues. He supports users with IT issues.
I attend meetings with my manager. I attend meetings with my manager.
He develops simple web applications. He develops simple web applications. I write notes about my work. I write notes about my work. He updates software for clients.
That's essential for our clients.
He updates software for clients. I read about new technology online. I read about new technology online. He checks the system for mistakes. He checks the system for mistakes. I help my team finish tasks on time. I help my team finish tasks on time. He uses different programming languages. He uses different programming languages. I work on my computer all day. I work on my computer all day. He plans his work carefully. He plans his work carefully.
I follow instructions from my leader. I follow instructions from my leader.
So, for Q3, we'll focus on new market analysis and growth strategies. He shares his ideas in meetings. He shares his ideas in meetings. I improve my coding skills daily. I improve my coding skills daily. He works with data and systems. He works with data and systems. I enjoy learning about new software. I enjoy learning about new software. He creates tools to help users. He creates tools to help users. I spend time fixing system errors. I spend time fixing system errors. He talks with clients about problems. He talks with clients about problems. I complete tasks before deadlines. I complete tasks before deadlines. He builds programs for companies. He builds programs for companies. I practice coding in my free time. I practice coding in my free time. He checks results after testing software. He checks results after testing software. I learn from senior developers. I learn from senior developers. He works hard to finish his projects. He works hard to finish his projects. I use simple methods to solve problems. I use simple methods to solve problems. He reads technical documents every day. He reads technical documents every day. I ask questions when I do not understand. I ask questions when I do not understand. I try different ways to write code. I try different ways to write code. He manages time very well. He manages time very well. I work in a friendly environment. I work in a friendly environment. He supports new team members.
Thanks, I really try to.
It makes a big difference.
He supports new team members.
It's great to hear that. I write clear and simple code. I write clear and simple code. He fixes system issues fast. He fixes system issues fast. I study English for my IT job. I study English for my IT job. He improves system performance. He improves system performance. I check my work before sending it. I check my work before sending it. He joins team discussions often. He joins team discussions often. I like working in the IT field. I like working in the IT field. He enjoys solving technical problems. He enjoys solving technical problems. Thanks for watching our English learning channel. We hope you enjoyed the lesson and learned something new. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. And be sure to watch our next video. See you then!